All right, my name's Anthony. I'm representing Stealth Tahoe, Stealth electric bikes. Here we have the Stealth Bomber B52. Also have a Stealth Fighter F37. These bikes do 40 and 50 miles per hour. Charge time is 3 hours on the F37, 2 hours on the B52. Top speed on the bikes is 40 miles per hour on the F37, 50 miles per hour on the B52. They're completely silent, awesome for commuting, great for trail building, just great all-around bikes, really durable. You can jump them like a motocross bike or a downhill bike. Just great products all around. We offer demos at our shop, Truckee, California, North Lake Tahoe. We offer demos on all of the Stealth bikes, as well as Evolve electric skateboards, one wheel, and inboard. Any product we sell in store, we do offer demos on. Come see us.